Hey guys, I've been asked a few times to do a curly hair routine, so this is finally it. However, I'm doing a curly hair routine with a few new products that I just bought not too long ago, and yeah. I will have a few voiceovers just to clarify a few steps, but otherwise, enjoy.
She cares about his money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no freaking love. She's spilling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh, baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh, girl, I want one. Fuck it, I pop one. I pop one. You like us and I got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. 10 and a 9, you mix that bitch. Money never got till we get that bitch. And I'm on one. Yeah.
The point of a Denman brush is to help distribute the product all along your hair, and it helps to clump the curls together as well. So as you can see, it's clumping the smaller strands, so the stray away hairs or whatever else, together, and it helps to create more full looking curls. So I have a silk head wrap that I sometimes use if I feel like the products need to get into my curls a little bit better, or if you know that you're going to be moving around the house a lot and you don't want to cause frizz to your curls, or just to avoid the water dripping down your face. This is your go-to. This is your girl. Perfect. So for this last step, I'm being a bit extra, hence why it's a bonus step. I add on a silk wrap on top of the bonnet, because with the bonnet, it still leaves room for your hair to be moving around, which can cause some frizz, and that's what we do not want. So you just tie that on and you're good to go. So that's what I do. I just tie it on my head like so. I suggest not keeping this wrap on for too long, maybe like maximum 30 minutes, just because the products do sink into your hair a lot more when you're keeping it wrapped up. And once again, too much product equals way down curls. Long you want it to air dry. Air drying is the best in my opinion. I'll come back and I'll show you guys how my curls look. And yeah. Okay, so this is the finished product. In regards to the bonnet, I took it off after half an hour and then let it air dry. And yeah, so my hair isn't fully dried right now. It will probably be fully dried in another hour. How it looks. The curls are pretty good. And they're pretty defined too. My only concern is that some curls are a little bit crunchy, and I think that's to do with the gel that the DevaCurl product had. But I won't know for sure because I used a bunch of new products. This is why I use one new product at a time. But I just wanted to dive right in. So yeah, it's fine. My hair smells amazing though. It smells so good. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, or that you learned a tip or two. Or if not, just hope you liked staring at my face. Anyway, my only last tip is that when you're going to bed, put your hair in a pineapple. If you don't know what that is, please just YouTube it or search it up. And then just remember, use a silk pillow sheet or use your silk bonnet, because that'll help keep frizz away and it'll help with your hair not getting way too tangled by the time you wake up, and you wake up with some next thing on your head. Okay. Anyways, see you next time, whenever the next time is. Bye.